Hey everyone, Luke here from Bedford Camera and Video, and I've got the Fujifilm X-T200. This camera features a 24 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor with a single card slot. It does have 4K 30p as well as a vari-angle touchscreen LCD. It has a pop-up flash, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB-C. This camera comes in 3 different colors: champagne, silver, and dark silver. This camera comes in under 14 ounces, so it makes it great for anybody that is a travel photographer or someone that's wanting to do vlogging on location. All of this is wrapped into one camera starting at just $699. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit like and subscribe to our page. If you want to add this camera to your bag, go ahead and visit us online at bedfords.com or your local store. I'm Luke from Bedford Camera and Video, and we'll catch you next time.